Hi. This topic is about finding someone to help you with your tax problems. An accountant may not accept you as a client. Often accountants contact one another and ask, is there any reason why I shouldn't take this client on? And if the client has problems, or if there are problems involving around where they could be seen as a tax evader or offensive to Canada Revenue Agency, the accountant might be afraid to take you on because of the problems. Look at it from the accountant's perspective. If they have to engage in battle on your behalf, if they don't stand up to CRA, they may achieve nothing for you, and they're not going to want to take your money and do nothing for you. On the other hand, if they have to fight, and if they annoy or irritate the auditor, that accountant could find all their clients being audited. And that is the last thing any accountant wants to have happen to them, is to have all their clients audited. So that's why they may say, no, I don't want to take you on as a client. So don't be surprised if you're a non-filer. If there's issues of unreported income, you found out that you've been doing things wrong and they're seriously wrong, you may find that the accountants, a lot of them will not take you on. And you don't want to find an accountant that takes you on because they're desperate and they need the money, because that's kind of a pig in a poke. You don't really know how it's going to turn out. You ought to turn to someone who specializes in dealing with tax problems and has no reason to be concerned if CRA audits all their problems. And that's where we feel that we have the edge, because that's all we deal with is problems. And if CRA decided they wanted to audit our clients, it's not a big deal. We're familiar with all the files. At least half of them are audits anyway. So it's not an area where CRA would want to go, because they're dealing with an adversary that knows the ropes, knows the game, and are not likely to want to challenge us on all our clients. And we have nothing to fear. So that's why we're not afraid. You need to make sure that you pick the right accountant to help you with your problems. And of course, we think we're the right ones, and hope you give us a call.